Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bubbly. So today I'm going to show you a very interesting video on how to tighten up your skin, right? It's a face pack that I believe you can use it once in 15 days, not regularly, because it'll definitely make your skin dry, and if your skin goes dry, then definitely you will have issues. You'll have you will damage your skin, right? So this is very a special face pack. This was taught to me sorry taught to me by my aunt. I believe she is a beauty freak. So she usually puts up face pack every day. She'll put up a face pack and it's all natural ingredients that she uses. So I was really fascinated by the way she uses it, so I wanted to try it. So this is why I tried this, and this is an amazing face pack, guys. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and show your support towards my channel so that I can make more videos in the future. Right now to the video. So guys, the ingredients that we need are besan, which is chickpea flour, or gram flour. Now I've got this a teaspoon, less than a teaspoon. I've not taken much because I don't want it much. Then to this I'm going to add a few mashed banana. You must be thinking why I'm using mashed banana, right? Mashed banana's got a lot of potassium, guys, and which will help your skin to tighten up, and it'll also hydrate your skin, and it'll give you that skin suppleness, so which is really good. And now to this I'm going to add a few drops of mint juice. Yeah, so I already have the mint juice ready. If you have seen my previous video, you will know I have it ready. I usually stock it for about a week. Now to that I will add a few drops of neem juice. That is it. And now let's mix it, and our pack is ready. This pack will be thick, so that is why I did not use a lot of besan flour, because we are using banana, which is again it'll make the pack very thick. So the pack is ready, so let's put it on. So my pack is ready. It smells amazing. It has got this banana flavor and mint, so the neem flavor is not dominant, because the mint and the banana is dominating in this. So I will apply it. If you're finding a difficulty to apply, just apply it by your you can use your hands, you can use your bare hands to apply it. For me, I'm a little lazy because I don't like to go wash my hands, so I'm applying it like this. And this has a lot of benefits, guys. Number one, we know that mint will clear all your blemishes, any acne blemishes that you have, it will clear that. And number two is that neem is an antiseptic, which will help you also if you have skin irritation, it will reduce it. Then we know that besan will help you lighten up your skin, so which is again really good. And so now banana has got potassium, like I mentioned, so it will help you with keeping your skin supple. It will also help, it is also an antiseptic. It will also help you skin to keep hydrated. It is very important to have your skin hydrated. The more drier your skin becomes, you will start getting these lines around. You'll start having crow's feet around your eyes and your mouth, right? So this will help you reduce it. I will not say that it will remove it completely. this will help you reduce it. Yeah, if you use it continuously, probably it will even eradicate it, but this initially when you start using it will help you reduce it. This is a really good face pack, and also it will also remove, to a certain extent, it will remove all your tan. If you have pigmentations, it will remove it. So this is an amazing face pack. Like, you can use the banana, you know, when you buy bananas and they go black and we don't feel like eating, we'll try to throw. You can use those bananas. You don't have to even use the fresh bananas if you don't want it. You can use that banana, which will again, it will give you the same effect, guys. It's just it's overripe, right? If it is overripe, it is even easier to mash and use it. So this is it. So I've applied it to my face and I will leave it because I'm not going to be talking. So I will leave it, and then until it contracts and it will start pulling up my skin, it will become really tight. So then I will remove it and then come back to you, right? So this is done. I've removed it because I was not able to speak. That is why once it's dry, I will not be able to speak. That is why I did not show you as how I removed it. I went and washed my face, right? So now this is done. So anytime you put up a pack, please ensure that you apply a moisturizer. For me, aloe vera is my moisturizer, so I would like to apply always aloe vera gel because nothing else suits my skin. So I will apply aloe vera gel, right? So this is it, guys, and this is an amazing face pack to tighten up your skin, have a nice clear complexion, and remove all the pigmentation also. This is like I would say a magic face pack. So I would definitely recommend you to try and let me know how did you feel about this face pack, right? So I will meet you in another interesting video next time. Until then, stay beautiful.